The current population of the globe is around 7 billion people and is expected to increase to more than 9 billion in a decade. With increasing number of population, the demand to fulfill the supply of electricity is getting tough. We are using coal and other harmful fossil fuels which are polluting our environment and degrading the climate. Clean tech is a revolutionary step to curb this problem. WSS turbine is a turbine which accumulates solar and sound energy from the already existing wind turbine towers and boosts the generation of electricity from those. Sun is always present and the space on the nasal part of the turbine is not used frequently, which can be used for the purpose of installing solar cells to gain us extra electricity. The turbine towers creates erratic vibrations and sound, one of the disadvantages of the technology. We are capturing those vibrations and generating electricity via piezoelectric device with piezo boosters attached to it. Now we are generating electricity from three natural resources from the same tower, utilizing the same and the existing resources.